If you are looking for a water bottle brand for the whole family, I highly recommend the Owala brand. I have had this water bottle for almost 3 years, and then this one is almost a year old. They're still going strong. They have two different lid systems. So this one is designed for kids. It's called the Flip. It has a really cool handle that you just push down on, and then the spout flips open. You can lock it, which is great. If you're going to toss it in a bag, I recommend that because it is leak proof here, but if you were to tip this over, water will spill out of the straw. So there's no like valve in the straw. It can spill when you tip it. It's really easy for kids to drink out of though, and my 2-year-old figured this out really quickly. So again, you can just lock it. Of course, this is great to put stickers on. Kids love doing that. This comes in really cool color combinations. One thing I do highly recommend though is every night, empty out your water bottle. This goes for any brand. Empty it out. Disconnect the straw. Open up the lid. Rinse it out with hot water or soap, whatever you want, but let it air dry every single night. Mold can build up in here. I have had that happen, but if you clean it and take care of it every day, then that will not happen. This side's easy to clean. I just like to toss it in the dishwasher every couple nights, but like I said, just air it out and you'll have no problem at all with mold. This is 14 ounces for the kids, great size. This is the 24-ounce free sip style. So this part that is the handle, you can carry it like that. If you click it down, that will lock it. This button opens up the lid, and it has what they call the free sip. So this is really cool because if you put your mouth on this part, the straw is connected and the water will come up through the straw here. It's a really natural feeling. But if you want to chug some water, it can come out of here. So you would just tip back and chug it. Of course, this will spill if you tip it over. So again, you want to be careful with that and lock it when it's in a bag. The only thing is this doesn't fit in my car cup holder, but I think my car has really small cup holders for some reason. I know some friends that don't have an issue with that. So again, I've had this for like almost 3 years. This little part's a little dirty and kind of scuffed up, but overall there's no dents. This one is my kid's. She drops it all the time. A couple dents on the bottom. Great system of water bottles. Highly recommend.